Rachel, and I work with Arizona Project WET. Today, we're going to be interviewing an organism. What does that mean? Well, we can ask living things, either animals or even plants, questions to get to know them better. They won't be able to respond because they're not human, but we can still learn a lot from asking them these questions. There are 4 types of questions that we can ask. We can ask descriptive questions, counting and measurement questions, behavioral questions, and time questions. I found a monarch butterfly here, and I'm going to start with some descriptive questions. First, what are the main structures of your body? Well, you have antennae, you have a torso, and you have wings. What colors are your body? You are orange here, and black here, and then you have some white spots too. What kind of place are you in? Well, I saw you resting on a mesquite tree. When you interview an organism, you can take notes about the answers you get. You can use pictures, words, and numbers. So now I'm going to move on to some counting and measurement questions. How long are you? I think you were about the length of my thumb, so I'm going to label that here. How many antennae do you have? You have 2. How many animals like you were around? I think I saw one other one of you flying around. Next, we're going to ask some behavior questions. What are you doing? Well, you are resting on a mesquite tree. Are you moving around or staying still? Well, since you're resting on the mesquite tree, that means that you're staying still. Let's ask some time questions. How long will you stay still? I think I saw you stay still for about a minute. When you do an interview, you might wonder about some questions that you can't answer right away. For instance, what is the organism thinking? What does it feel about me being here? Why is it staying still for so long? You can turn these why questions into what happens if or how questions. For instance, you can ask, what happens if I leave? And see what the organism does. It's good to write down questions that you can't answer right away too, because then you can come back and answer them later. For example, I wonder, why is the butterfly orange and black? You can interview any living thing, even plants. If you want to interview an animal, maybe you can interview a pet. Or you could go outside and interview a bird or a bug. You can even interview animals that you watch in videos online. Remember to ask questions that you can answer through observation. Then, take notes about those observations. You can share those notes with other people, just like I've shared my notes with you. Now that we've practiced these skills, the next time you see a cool organism, you can do this too, to get to know that organism better and to share your notes with other people. Good luck!